friends, I have ordered 9 by 9 cube from Cubeography. As you can see, this box is there in front of me, and now I am going to do unboxing. So I'll just open the box. Okay, so see, the box has been opened and I got a cube which is very nicely packed here. It has come with a sticker, 100% genuine product, and a cube holder, as you can see. And now let's open the cube. So here is the cube, 9 by 9. It is sealed in a plastic packet, and I will do cubeography with this. So watch out my YouTube channel for cubeography with 9 by 9. Bye bye. Thank you.